Hi, boys and girls. For this fact or opinion activity, you are going to listen to the sentences below be read out loud. Then you will cut them out and decide if they are a fact or an opinion and glue them under the correct column. If you need a sentence reread to you, then play the video as many times as you need or use your awesome reading skills to read it yourself. First one. An apple is red. Is that a fact or an opinion? Dogs are the best pet. A ball is round. I think snakes are scary. Cake is so yummy. Sanders is a school. Okay, boys and girls, if you need any of them reread, play the video again. Otherwise, cut them out and glue them under the correct column.